The Uniharpa 360 rotating acacia wood magnetic knife block offers a sophisticated solution for modern kitchen organization, combining high-grade aesthetics with practical utility. Crafted from premium acacia wood, this storage unit features a natural grain that complements any countertop while providing a durable surface for your cutlery. Its unique circular design allows for full accessibility, ensuring that every tool is within reach during meal preparation. By utilizing internal magnets, the stand securely grips blades of various sizes, preventing them from slipping while maintaining their sharpness over time. Efficiency meets elegance with the Uniharpa 360 rotating acacia wood magnetic knife block, which boasts an extra-large capacity designed to hold more than just standard chef knives. The dual-sided magnetic panels are strong enough to support heavy cleavers and delicate paring knives simultaneously, while the central hollow or tiered section often accommodates additional kitchen utensils like shears or honing rods. This versatile layout helps declutter drawer space and keeps essential tools visible, transforming a functional storage item into a centerpiece for the culinary workspace. Safety and stability are at the forefront of the Uniharpa 360 rotating acacia wood magnetic knife block design, featuring a weighted non-slip base that prevents tipping during rotation. The 360-degree swivel mechanism is engineered for smooth, silent movement, allowing users to transition between different tools effortlessly. Because the blades are stored on the exterior of the wood rather than inside narrow slots, the setup promotes better hygiene by allowing airflow and easy cleaning. This combination of hygiene, capacity, and artisanal wood construction makes it an ideal choice for professional chefs and home enthusiasts alike. Pros: saves counter space, attractive acacia wood design, strong magnetic pull, smooth 360-degree rotation, sturdy steel base, functional top insert, easy to use, great value for price, holds many knives, quiet rotation mechanism, compact slim form factor, high-quality wood, secure knife storage, removable inner rods, optional adhesive bottom, quick access to knives, clean. Visual appearance cons: poor magnet placement, knives pull towards center, knife edges touch and dull, magnets not strong enough, knives slide down and fall, magnets missing on sidewalls, design flaw for multiple knives, not ideal for organization features. 360i, 1/2 rotatable base, fine acacia wood construction, extra large storage capacity, integrated magnetic knife holder, dedicated utensil storage, universal knife fit. The Uniharpa 360 rotating acacia wood magnetic knife block offers a sophisticated solution for modern kitchen organization, combining high-grade aesthetics with practical utility. Crafted from premium acacia wood, this storage unit features a natural grain that complements any countertop while providing a durable surface for your cutlery. Its unique circular design allows for full accessibility, ensuring that every tool is within reach during meal preparation. By utilizing internal magnets, the stand securely grips blades of various sizes, preventing them from slipping while maintaining their sharpness over time. The Uniharpa 360-degree rotatable magnetic knife block offers an attractive acacia wood design with a sturdy steel base and a functional top insert, providing a compact and high-quality storage solution that saves counter space and allows for quick access to a large capacity of tools. While users appreciate its smooth, quiet rotation and great overall value, the product faces significant drawbacks regarding its internal magnet placement, which can cause knives to slide down, pull toward the center, or knock against one another and potentially dull their edges. Consequently, while the block excels in visual appearance and ease of use, Its design flaws regarding magnetic strength and organization on the sidewalls may compromise its effectiveness for securely holding a full set of cutlery.